Thank you very much. Morning, everybody. It's 63 degrees. That's about as warm as a morning temperature we've had in a while, so I don't know that you need a jacket, maybe a long sleeve, and that's about it. We'll get up to about 72 today, so it's going to be feeling warm and humid. Now, yesterday we had about a third of an inch of rain out at the airport. Places to the north, especially Aransas County, got a lot more than that, up to an inch in some spots, but 65 was the high yesterday. We'll get up to about 72 this afternoon. So in the 60s, not particularly cold. Certainly don't need a heavy coat. The wind breaker is about it because we have a few sprinkles out there, but the rain is pretty much gone. You can see how the sprinkles are still around the area, but the heaviest activity is now off the Gulf of Mexico and moving eastward toward the southeastern states. So a sprinkle or two possible this morning, and you might need the wipers. Other than that, we're looking for a warm, muggy morning in the 60s and a warm, muggy afternoon. I say muggy because, usually we get the rain and then we get dry air and it clears out. Well, it's not clearing out. We're going to stay cloudy right on through the weekend, about 4 or 5 days of kind of soupy weather, but not exactly raining. We'll just call it damp, all right? So here's the system that came through and gave us the rain yesterday. It's now rolling toward Louisiana. Here's the next one. It's actually coming out of Southern California. It's a very small, compact little storm, but this one is going to ride up and over us. This one out here does have you and me in the picture probably Wednesday of next week, so it's not completely over with. There you go. The temperatures are still bitter cold, single digits throughout much of the country and the Northwest. Looking at Chicago, where wow, what did the ice melt off the streets there? I don't know. They're downtown by the bridge at the WGN building. The Tribune, rather, and still on the bitter cold side. So you can see their temperature at 4, getting up to about 16, so at least they're not below 0, and there will be a break, especially for this area, the upper Midwest. That is going to get a break over the weekend. The Great Lakes, Buffalo, New England, maybe not so much, but some people are getting out of the deep freeze that they've been in for the last 3 days, it seems. So the system number 1 goes away. The warm front brings up even warmer air over the next couple of days. We'll still be on the cloudy side. On the west coast, we'll watch to see when that storm starts to move, but that's really not till next week. In the meantime, we're just going to stay cloudy and a little soupy. And for those of you planning the weekend, here's what it looks like. We're going to stay on the cloudy side, but 72, 71, and Sunday, 73. I've got one special for you. This one's your Super Bowl forecast. Whatever your team is playing at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, kickoff at 5:30. The game kickoff temperature, 58 degrees with a little light rain, so no major problems there for the Super Bowl.